If you have ever struggled to install drawer slides perfectly level, the Imbot Drawer Slide Jig is about to become your new best friend. This precision alignment tool clamps directly to your cabinet face frames, giving you a completely flush and level surface to rest your hardware on. It eliminates the frustrating guesswork and constant measuring that usually slows down tedious cabinetry projects. The jig is fully adjustable to accommodate different face frame thicknesses and holds your slides rock solid while you drive the screws. You will save an incredible amount of time and finally achieve that buttery smooth drawer glide every single time. It is an absolute must-have for any woodworking setup that costs a fraction of the premium brands. Taking care of a compacted yard does not require renting massive gas-guzzling equipment when you have the Saker Manual Lawn Aerator. This cleverly designed manual tool lets you precisely punch deep cores into your soil to let oxygen, water, and nutrients reach the grass roots. The ergonomic tines plunge into the earth smoothly, extracting neat little plugs without wrecking your back in the process. It is perfectly sized for targeting trouble spots around your garden beds or pathways where heavy foot traffic severely compacts the dirt. The solid construction ensures it can handle tough terrain without bending under your body weight. You will start seeing a greener, healthier lawn in no time, using just a bit of old-fashioned manual leverage. Applying caulk smoothly is an art form, but the TIVOLY T-Gun F300 cartridge caulking gun feels like a complete cheat code. This ergonomic gun features an incredibly smooth trigger mechanism that delivers consistent pressure, eliminating those messy globs and uneven lines. The specialized design provides excellent leverage, meaning your hand won't cramp up halfway through sealing a large bathroom or window frame. It handles standard cartridges flawlessly, and the automatic drip stop function retracts the pressure the second you let off the trigger. You will never have to rush to wipe away excess silicone streaming out of the nozzle again. It turns a universally hated finishing job into a genuinely satisfying, professional experience. Handling heavy, awkward materials is dangerous work, but the SEESII 8-inch suction cup lifter grips like an absolute vice. Rated for incredibly heavy loads, this pump-action vacuum cup adheres to glass, large tiles, or smooth metal with terrifying strength. You simply pump the plunger a few times until the red line disappears, letting you know you have a secure, rock-solid vacuum seal. It takes all the strain out of maneuvering large vehicle windshields or oversized porcelain tiles, putting total control firmly back in your hands. A quick release valve instantly breaks the suction when you have your piece perfectly positioned. Stop risking your fingers and your expensive materials when a tool this affordable can confidently do the heavy lifting for you. When you need to level ground for a new patio or compact crushed stone, the Walensee Steel Tamper is an absolute beast. It features a heavy-duty 8x8-inch steel base plate that delivers massive compacting force exactly where you need it. The 48-inch handle is perfectly proportioned to let you stand upright, saving your lower back from unnecessary strain during long hours of pounding. A comfortable rubber grip at the top absorbs the jarring impact vibrations before they travel painfully up your arms. Every single weld on this all-steel tamper feels incredibly overbuilt, guaranteeing it will survive years of heavy landscaping abuse. It is the perfect, low-tech solution for creating an immovable foundation without renting a noisy, vibrating plate compactor. Sometimes you need a third hand in the shop, and the KlenzMate extension clamps are the brilliant solution you didn't know you needed. These ingenious little adapters allow you to connect multiple standard clamps together to create an exceptionally long clamping span. Instead of dropping hundreds of dollars on massive 60-inch bar clamps you rarely use, you can just cleanly link your existing smaller clamps end to end. They lock together with complete rigidity, ensuring your pressure remains straight and true across wide glue-ups or custom furniture builds. The low-profile design means they won't get in the way of your workspace or flip over under heavy tension. It is one of those incredibly simple, cost-effective innovations that drastically expands the capability of your current tool wall. Anyone who has fought to remove a stubborn strut from a steering knuckle needs the ReluxGo suspension strut spreader immediately. Instead of dangerously hammering away with chisels or pry bars, you simply slide this low-profile tool into the split hub and smoothly turn the bolt. It quietly and safely forces the knuckle apart, easily releasing its vice-like grip on your suspension strut. The universal design fits a massive variety of vehicles, making it a critical addition to your automotive repair arsenal. It takes a job that usually involves 20 minutes of sweating and swearing and turns it into a 5-second effortless turn of a wrench. For under $50, it pays for itself the very first time you use it on a tough suspension teardown. Dropping a vital bolt deep into an engine bay is a nightmare, But the ULIBERMAGNET heavy-duty pickup tool rescues it in seconds. This isn't your average flimsy telescoping wand. It is a genuinely heavy-duty magnet capable of hoisting surprisingly heavy wrenches or sockets. The extendable shaft reaches incredibly tight, dark crevices where your hands simply cannot fit. It features a specialized shielded collar around the magnet, preventing it from constantly snapping onto the surrounding metal frame before reaching your lost hardware. The comfortable, high-visibility grip ensures it won't slip out of greasy hands during a frustrating search and rescue mission. Keep this attached to your toolbox lid, and you will save yourself countless hours of tearing components apart just to find a dropped screw. Sagging commercial doors are a massive headache, but the Vdsfand 12-in-1 door hinge adjustment tool fixes them instantly without taking the door off its hinges. This heavy-duty wrench slips precisely over the knuckles of standard commercial door hinges to bend them gently back into perfect alignment. With multiple sizing slots, it fits virtually any heavy-duty hinge you will encounter in an office or industrial setting. You simply apply a bit of leverage, and the door magically clears the frame, instantly curing frustrating rubbing or latching issues. The reinforced steel construction handles massive torque without flexing, ensuring a lifetime of quick, reliable door repairs. It transforms an intimidating two-person maintenance task into a simple, one-handed fix. Compressing brake calipers during a pad swap shouldn't be a struggle, and the Aerator's Waitino 79 Universal Brake Pad Spreader definitively proves it. This tool features massive, heavy-duty steel plates that apply perfectly even pressure across the brake caliper pistons. Whether you are dealing with single, twin, or quad piston setups, it smoothly pushes them back into their bores without damaging the delicate seals. The oversized turning handle provides incredible leverage, meaning you rarely need to reach for an extra wrench to break a stiff piston free. The central screw mechanism is exceptionally smooth and built to handle the grime and brake dust of daily garage use. It makes those weekend brake jobs significantly faster, cleaner, and much safer for your expensive caliper components. Cutting perfectly straight lines with a circular saw used to require a massive table saw until the Kreg KMA 2400 Rip Cut came along. This brilliant guide attaches to almost any circular saw, allowing you to slice down large sheets of plywood with laser-like precision. An oversized edge guide rides smoothly along the edge of your material, keeping the blade perfectly parallel for cuts up to 24 inches wide. You simply dial in your measurement on the built-in scale, lock it down, and push the saw forward for perfectly repeatable, splinter-free cuts. It completely eliminates the need for messy chalk lines or struggling to clamp down heavy straight edges. For a fraction of the cost of a track saw, you get professional cabinet shop accuracy right in your own driveway. Lighting up a dark engine bay is crucial, and the Ropelux 3rd Gen work light casts a massive 3200 lumens exactly where you need it. This ultra-bright LED mechanics light stretches entirely across your vehicle's hood, flooding the entire engine compartment in brilliant shadow-free daylight. The spring-loaded, foam-covered hooks securely grab onto the hood's edges without scratching your delicate clear coat. Because it operates on a rechargeable battery, you don't have to fight with annoying extension cords dragging across your fenders. It features multiple brightness settings to conserve battery and a tough, impact-resistant housing that easily survives the rough environment of an auto shop. Once you work under a hood with this level of uniform lighting, you will never go back to struggling with a shaky flashlight again. Pressing out a stubborn wheel hub assembly often ruins your day, but the Orion MotorTech 4100 kit brings out the big guns. This heavy-duty removal tool easily bolts to your wheel studs, giving you a massive striking surface to pound the old rusted hub completely free. By directing the kinetic energy straight into the hub rather than the knuckle, you entirely avoid damaging expensive surrounding suspension components. Made from immensely strong, heat-treated steel, it easily shrugs off brutal sledgehammer blows without mushrooming or cracking. The universal bolt pattern fits a massive range of domestic and imported cars and trucks, making it a highly versatile garage staple. It is the ultimate brute force solution for tearing off frozen wheel hubs when finesse and penetrating oil just aren't cutting it. Making custom automotive brake lines requires absolute perfection, and the Capri Tool's double flaring tool delivers factory-quality flares every single time. This precision machine kit creates incredibly tight, leak-free 45-degree double flares on copper, aluminum, and soft steel tubing. The heavy-duty yoke features a self-centering slip-on design that perfectly aligns the flaring cone, completely eliminating off-center, lopsided flares. The flaring bar itself is fiercely grooved to grip the tubing tightly, ensuring it never pushes back out while you apply heavy pressure. All the included adapters are clearly stamped and organized in a rugged case, keeping your essential sizes easily accessible. If you are fabricating brake or fuel lines, this kit takes all the terrifying guesswork out of creating a completely secure hydraulic seal. Reaching tight, recessed areas on a vehicle with a rotary polisher is tricky, but the Maxshine stainless extension shafts solve the problem beautifully. These beautifully machined solid stainless steel shafts thread directly onto your rotary buffer, pushing your backing plate out to reach difficult areas safely. They are absolutely perfect for safely polishing around side mirrors, door handles, and complex bumper curves where the bulky machine head would normally strike the paint. The kit includes multiple lengths that can even be linked together, giving you customized reach for deep dish wheels or narrow spoilers. The precision threading ensures they spin completely true with absolutely no wobble, maintaining a perfectly smooth polishing action. It is a brilliant, inexpensive upgrade that prevents accidental paint burn and elevates your auto detailing game to a professional level. Pushing together modern plumbing fittings is incredibly easy, but removing them is a total nightmare without the SharkBite disconnect tool. These specialized steel tongs are specifically engineered to compress the release collar on push-to-connect fittings with minimal physical effort. Whether you are working with PX, copper, or CPVC, this tool smoothly disengages the internal teeth, letting you slide the fitting right off. It completely eliminates the frustration of using those cheap little plastic disconnect clips that constantly slip and dig into your fingers. The long handles provide excellent leverage, which is a massive lifesaver when you are working blindly in a cramped, dark crawl space. It is the fastest, safest way to disassemble modern plumbing lines without causing any damage to the pipes or the expensive fittings. Spreading adhesive or finishing concrete wreaks havoc on your joints, but the made in the USA EasyLean trowel support tool changes the game entirely. This clever attachment securely mounts directly to your existing trowel, allowing you to lean your body weight onto the tool rather than straining your wrist. It provides an ergonomic secondary grip point that completely stabilizes your sweeping motions, resulting in a much flatter, more consistent finish. The base comes equipped with anti-slip rubber feet, ensuring it firmly grips the floor while giving you a solid pivoting axis. Floor installers and drywallers will instantly notice a drastic reduction in arm fatigue and a massive boost in their daily spreading speed. It is a simple, highly effective ergonomic upgrade that might actually save you an expensive trip to the physical therapist. Upgrading your cabinets with European hinges usually requires intense math, but the RUITOOL 35mm concealed hinge jig makes it completely foolproof. This incredibly precise template clamps onto your cabinet doors and perfectly centers your Forstner bit for flawless hinge cup boring. The built-in depth stop guarantees you drill exactly to the correct depth every single time, totally eliminating the fear of punching through the front of an expensive door. It also features integrated marking holes for the pilot screws, ensuring your hinge plates sit perfectly square and level. The durable construction is built to handle multiple kitchen renovations without losing its tight tolerances. It is the ultimate shortcut for achieving high-end, custom cabinetry results without buying a massive industrial drill press. Scraping up old tile adhesive or linoleum is brutal work, but the Smarkey floor scraper aggressively tears through the absolute worst messes. This heavy-duty scraping tool features a massive razor-sharp steel blade, bolted to a sturdy reinforced handle that channels your force straight into the floor. The blade easily cuts under stubborn glue, old paint, ice, or concrete splatter, lifting it away with surprising ease. The handle is long enough to let you use both hands for maximum leverage, protecting your knuckles from painfully smashing into the ground. Replacement blades swap out in seconds, meaning you always have a fresh, biting edge ready for the toughest demolition projects. It is an absolute powerhouse for prepping subfloors and cleaning up industrial job sites quickly and efficiently. Cutting baseboards is notoriously confusing, but the wolfcraft 2-in-1 bevel and Mitre box is a pure genius solution for perfect corners. This incredible tool combines a sliding bevel gauge with a cutting block, meaning you can directly copy a room's corner angle and cut it perfectly in one step. You just push the gauge securely into the corner, lock the exact angle, slide your baseboard in, and let your hand saw follow the integrated guide pins. It completely eliminates the need to calculate complex angles or repeatedly walk back and forth to your heavy electric miter saw to test the fit. It is exceptionally handy for old houses where corners are rarely a perfect 90 degrees, ensuring seamless joints every single time. This brilliant little jig completely removes the frustration and wasted wood from your upcoming trim carpentry projects. There you have it. 21 must-have tools for under $50. Links to grab your favorites are down in the description. Hit that like button, subscribe to Top Tech Tools for more gear reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.